I have this large chunk of text here in this scrolling panel. It's divided into three chapters, and I have these buttons with the same titles as the chapters. So, what I want to do is press a button and jump to that specific chapter in the text. To do that, I'm going to use these PNG images of monkeys placed next to each chapter name. These monkeys will act as the anchors for the text, meaning that these will be the elements I'm actually gonna be scrolling to. So I created an execute JavaScript trigger that runs when the timeline starts, and inside it I have this. I gave all my buttons accessibility names so I can easily select them in the code, and I did the same for the monkeys since they act as the actual scroll targets. Then I added some event listeners here. This line, for example, reads like this. If the user clicks on the second button, scroll to the second monkey, or rather bring the second monkey into view. So by clicking the second button, I will scroll right to the second monkey in my text here, which is section number 2. And that's all you need to make this work. This can be a great way to give the user some control over large chunks of text like this, and actually make the scrolling panels a bit more useful. The scrollIntoView function also supports various parameters that control the scrolling behavior, but unfortunately I couldn't get them to work in Storyline. So it always just jumps to the next scrolling target. But on a regular web page, you could use a parameter like this for smooth scrolling, like in this example here.